Welcome back to Google Classroom. Today, this is our last exercise of our second chapter. So let me complete this exercise and we will going to do the geometry part. Right now, just we have only one chapter I completed in the geometry. Then we have to complete the geometry also. So beside all this, we will going to take only geometry lecture from Monday. Okay, from the next day of our lecture, we will going to do only and only geometry part. By the time I know this is your quarterly test are going on. So this lecture and before I have put on the 2.4 practice at 2.4 lecture also. So just go for this lecture, complete your book, and as soon as you complete your algebra book till 2.5, bring for correction. Yet I have seen that majority of students from boys sections are not coming for bring correction of books. So I am requesting them to complete your books and soon to bring here for correction. We are there in our school. Now second student, I am saying that let's do our sum. Okay. Assignments also I am given in last lecture also. Same thing procedure today also we are going to do. Whatever sum I will taught you in my today lecture, do 2 times. Right? So student, we have to start the 2.5 exercise, but before that, let me explain the things on this exercise. See, what is that? Now we have to do absolute value. Absolute value. Now what is absolute value? See, we have an all real numbers, right? Now सारे real numbers we have. Whatever we have less than 0, more than 0 or equals to 0. Whatever we have, the value. Okay? See, the absolute value of any real number is never negative. ये दिमाग में रख दो बेटा कि जो भी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होगी कोई भी रियल नंबर की वो कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होती है. इट नेवर बी नेगेटिव नंबर. इफ सपोज अगर आपका आंसर नेगेटिव में आ गया, सो व्हाट इज द रूल फॉर चेंजिंग? वी विल डू इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, एंड दिस इज द साइन ऑफ मॉडिकुलस. द साइन ऑफ मॉडिकुलस. बी अवेयर दिस. ओके, so what is the whatever the value be in modulus, ये जो वैल्यू होती है मॉडिकुलस में, ठीक है, अगर ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव में हो आएगी, सपोज मॉडिकुलस whatever the equation is there, ऐड करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिवाइड करो, whatever we have to do, no problem. If I have -14 in our molecule, so now what I am going to do? I will remove the molecule sign. I will going to remove the modulus sign and that will be become only +14. Understood? Now, understood what I said? This is a modulus sign. Whatever number are in the modulus sign, we will open the modulus sign. It became +14. समझ में आया बेटा? अगर -14 है, मॉड्यूलर की साइन आप ओपन कर दोगे तो वो बन जाएगा +14. ठीक है बेटा, ये रिमेंबर रखो, ये ध्यान रखेंगे आप. चलिए, नाउ वी विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज. नाउ वी वांट टू स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज. आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सी आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मॉड्यूलस 15 - 2. Modulus of 15 - 2. What is 15 - 2? Minus? Yes, write it right. So how we want to write here? Solution. All I ever to see the word. Okay. So system equals to modular 15 - 2. What is 15 - 2? We became 30. Bigger number sign. What is it? Bigger number is 15, and it is in the sign of plus. So it became +30. We don't want to indicate the plus sign right now. Just open the modular sign. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? Only 30. याद रखना नेगेटिव नंबर पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, तो पॉजिटिव modular of 7 into modular of 4. So 7 into minus 4. Okay. So 7 4 से became 28. माइनस की साइन है इसलिए आप माइनस लगाओगे, ठीक है ना, मॉड्यूल ऑफ minus 28. When I will open the modular sign, it became only 28. Understood? This is our first question. Come on, do it. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Give it to you fast. It is easy, students. It will come from 1 marks question. Now, I am going to explain you the question number 2. The question number 2 is solve. We had to solve it. Modulo of 3x minus 5 equals to 1. Now, student, it is very different question as compared to first question. हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या देखा? We have seen how to open the modular sign and the absolute value of any real number is in the never negative number. ये हमने पढ़ लिए. Obviously जब नेगेटिव नंबर था उसको modular sign ओपन किया वो पॉजिटिव नंबर बन गया. But now in second question we have equation. How it came equation? मैं equation क्यों बोल रही हूँ इसको? Just have a pressure on your mind. बताओ दिमाग में थोड़ा जोर लगा के इसको मैंने equation क्यों बोला है? Yes, most of students have just right answer because we have the equal sign and we have the left hand side and we have a right hand side. Left hand side भी कुछ हमारे पास numbers है, value है, terms है और right hand side में भी कुछ terms है. Whatever आपका variable हो, numbers हो, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है? अब यहाँ का method different होता है, देखो कैसा करेंगे हम. Solution. See यहाँ पर modulo of 3x minus 5 equals to 1. Equation है. When I am going to open the modular sign, remember this beta, that is, so therefore when I open the modular sign, जैसे मैंने modular sign यहाँ से open किया, equal के आगे I had to put plus minus of 1. समझ में आया? What I have done? I don't know. Whenever I will solve this equation on the left hand side, I don't know the number should be in the negative or positive. So for that I had opened the modular sign. Okay, modular sign हमने open किया और I put plus or minus sign in front of the right hand side. Okay. Now therefore when I have the equation plus minus of 1, तो एक बार हमने किस में लिख दिया उसको plus में लिख दिया. No need of including plus sign. और यही इक्वेशन को do सेकेंड टाइम, लेकिन उसमें होगा वो माइनस में होगा. ओके, सो देयरफॉर द रूल आर यू नो, कीप ऑल द वेरिएबल टर्म वन साइड एंड टेक द नंबर्स फॉर द अदर साइड. सो 3x इक्वल्स टू 1. दिस इज अ माइनस 5. ये क्या है हमारे पास? माइनस 5. सो इट विल कम टू द राइट हैंड साइड, इट बिकम प्लस 5, राइट? और here also 3x equals Come on. Second question is molecule of 7 minus 2x. Question number 2. Molecule of 7 minus 2x molecule close equals to 5. Yes friend, ये क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. Same method. What we going to do? We'll open the molecule sign. We just open the molecule sign. See solution. क्या है हमारे पास क्वेश्चन? That is 7 minus 2x equals to 5. So therefore I just open the bracket plus minus of 5. I just open the molecule sign and I put to the right. इक्वेशन के सामने है ना वो, इसीलिए हमने प्लस माइनस यूज किया है इक्वल के राइट हैंड साइड में. अंडरस्टूड? So same thing, write this equation 2 times. Therefore 7 minus 2x equals to plus 5 or 7 minus 2x equals to minus 5. Okay beta? So therefore keep all the variable one side and put the number one side. See, equal के after we have 5 only as it is. So we shifting plus 5. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 5 और minus 2x equals to minus 5 minus 7 ना, plus 7 आगे क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 7. So therefore minus 2x equals to minus 2 plus minus minus 7 minus 2 7 minus 5 2. Bigger number sign. और minus 2x equal to minus minus plus minus minus plus. So 5 minus 7 became minus 12. Understood? So therefore minus 2x, sorry, now I will do x keep here only minus 2 upon minus 2 or minus 2x again. What I am going to do? Minus 12 divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2, right now? Multiplication form में divide बन गया, multiplication form divide बन गया. Understood? Now cancel it. See minus sign cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones. So therefore I got x value as 1 or minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 6. So I got x value as 6. Understood? Come on. Now we want to do the question number. Should I give time to complete this? Okay, go do it. 2 मिनट देगा, फटाफट करो. ठीक है, समझ लिए? Come on. Now we want to do the question number. Question number 2 or 3. Okay, question number 3. What is the question number 3? We have 8 molecule of 8 minus x upon 2 equals to 5. See, every question have given a different type of values. अब देखिए यहाँ पर जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड we have the fraction value. Okay, so how to solve it? See, solution, that is molecule of 8 minus x upon 2 equals to 5. So therefore open the molecular sign, put plus minus of 5. Right? Now next method, write 2 times. One in the positive, right? Or second in the negative. है ना? ये जो इक्वल की बात जो राइट हैंड साइड में है the value we have put in the positive and after the right hand side we have a value in negative. Now you know very well denominators try to multiply with the next number but never multiply with the numerator, है ना? हमने पढ़े हैं ये बात. So 8 minus x equal to 5 2s are Okay, student, let me complete one more question. Then we will discuss what we have to do. So I should rub this. Okay. Now next question is 5 plus x upon 4. Question number 4. Module of 5 plus x upon 4 module equals to 5. So same thing. Don't be panic about the question change हो रहा है. मैथड आपका वही है. Solution, that is module of 5 minus plus of 4 upon x upon 4 equals to 5. Open the module sign and to put, क्या करेंगे module sign आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से ओपन कर रहे हो ना, तो इसकी साइन कहाँ पर होगी, राइट हैंड साइड में आप करोगे. सो दैट इज 5 plus x upon 4 equals to plus minus of 5. Then write two times, therefore 5 plus x upon 4 equals to 5 or 5 plus x upon 4 equals to 5. Understood? See, again we have the mixed fraction sum here. So what we are going to do? Just see, denominator never multiply the numerator. Denominator never multiply the numerator. ये आप साइड से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Okay? 5 4s are 20 plus x equals to 5 4s are 20. I have removed the denominator. Here also 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, but I got minus 20 because we have minus 5. Understood? Same thing. Put all the variable one side and number one side. So I have plus 20 became minus 20. Minus 20 plus 20 again क्या हो जाएगा ये? Minus 20. So x is equal to क्या हो गया? 0. I got the value. Don't put the sign. Let me see कि वहाँ पर हमको क्या नंबर आएगा. और x equals to minus minus plus. So it became 40. But we have same similar sign now. Number भी same है, sign भी same है. So we have to put one sign. So here I get one value of x as 0 and one value of x as 40. है ना easy? Understood? Hope जितना भी पढ़ाई है सेकेंड चैप्टर में हमने आपको जितना भी I had teach you so that you have kept in your mind. Practice, self practice should be there. To every children I am asking to do self practice. Okay? Until unless you will not practice, how you will come to know where you having difficulties? Understood? So better just practice it. If you have any kind of doubt, just ask to me. Do the whatever sum today I thought, 2-time assignment. Okay, beta. By the time, take care. Do your work. Start studying your syllabus. Take care. Allah Hafiz.